Hello guys, a new mining video for new mining bot. This is a new bot, the Zoo bot. It's from Exempire company, sponsored from Exempire. Simply, this is a bot with simple design. Like you see, I have here a crocodile who mined for me coin. Here there is turtle. Here there is squirrel, like you see. For each one we have coins per hour to the level. For the first one I have at 800, second 8, third 20, 5v2, 13, 500. This is how it works. Like you see, when you enter, it's will be clean. You click in plus, you have here animals, you select your animals. Simply, you select your animals, you buy with your coins here. And for every animals, there is a number of coins that you mine hourly, automatically. If you click in coins, like you see, this is the token. It's automatically added, no need to enter, just you must upgrade your earning in coins. How to upgrade? When you collect more coins here, and if you want to buy coins with your star, you can buy coins with your star. When you collect sufficient coins, you click in your zoo animals one by one, and you can upgrade with your coins here, like that. I don't have enough coins now. Like that, you click in your animals and you upgrade. When you open its screen, just you click here and you buy your animals with your coins. How to get free coins? You click in tasks. You get a daily reward. You add emoji to your Telegram, you get 1,000 coin. Join Telegram for 1,000 coin. Follow X 500,000 coin. Also, you can boost your channel. Also, share your referral link with your friend. You earn some coins. There is also read of the day, like you see. This is how it works. Simply a simple airdrop. You click in airdrop and you connect your wallet here. This is simply how it works. The simple bot from Exempire is designed to be simple and easy to use. Automatically collect coins for you. You start for free if you want, and you let sometimes collect coins for you. After that, you click in your zoo and upgrade everyone as you wish. This is how it works. This is our video today. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and share the video. See you another mining video.